going to give you guys a tip that we use for keeping our trailer clean with 6 people, 4 of which being little people who bring a lot of junk in the trailer. We have a large water hog mat in the middle of the trailer. It's right where everybody comes in and walks through, and this mat traps everything. And the first thing I do is just use a little Bissell. Now I have vacuumed the entire rug, and I don't know, I mean, to me, walking around looking at it looks super clean, right? Well, we happen to have 4 daughters, meaning 4 heads of long hair. Looking closely at the mat, though, you can still tell it's holding on to some dirt and sticks, and the main thing stuck to this mat is hair from the 4 daughters' heads. So this is where I'm gonna fill you in on like one of my favorite products in the world. When I was searching for huge lint rollers, I found this product. It's called a Brazilian mat. What I wanted was something sticky that would pick up the hair from this water hog, but I didn't want to go through 1,000 lint rollers, and I came across this product. It is technically for unwanted pet hair, but we do not have pets, we have children. So kind of the same thing. This particular one came in a pack of 25. I also got a pack of 50. Rip one sheet out, and as you can see on the back, you simply fold it in half and peel away the backing. This is sticky, but it's not so sticky that it ruins anything, and it definitely doesn't leave any residue behind. So here is how it works. You can see that this spot in the floor, at least in my eyes, it looks pretty clean. So I'm going to just push the Brazil mat down, and then I'm going to peel it up. Simply going to move over. This is what it looks like after 2. And now I'm going to show you my results. I used 2 across this rug, and this is what it found. So this is the disgusting hair, dirt, what else do I see in there? Sticks, lint. The Brazil mat picked up after I had thoroughly vacuumed this rug. So here's a plain white sheet of paper versus the dirty Brazil mat.